Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we are talking about should you eat dinner for weight loss? Is late night snacking a good idea when it comes to managing weight? Can eating dinner really help us lose the weight that we want? Today I'm going to discuss the pros and cons of eating dinner at night, to help you decide once and for all if eating dinner is an effective weight loss strategy for you. Eating dinner can help you lose weight in a few ways. Eating dinner late in the evening helps your body properly digest what you eat earlier in the day. Your metabolic rate can stay elevated for a few hours after eating, meaning your body will be more likely to burn calories rather than storing them as fat. Eating dinner can also lower cravings, as late night binging is much simpler done when we are hungry. By allowing yourself to eat dinner and have enough food, you are less likely to indulge in sweets or treats. On the other hand, while eating dinner can provide benefits to your weight loss journey, it may also have adverse effects. Eating late at night can be challenging as our metabolism slows down, meaning less glucose and energy can be used. In addition, late night eating can be associated with a sedentary lifestyle or boredom. Eating out of boredom or lack of physical activity can cause overeating and unhealthy habits. Also, if eating late at night, it is important to watch portion sizes, as overeating even just a few times can cause your weight loss efforts to come to a standstill. Ultimately, eating dinner may be a valuable tool in your weight loss journey. However, it is important to keep portions in check and to watch for unhealthy habits. Balanced eating and proper physical activity are two essential elements to consider when it comes to weight management. Ultimately, I would recommend consulting a professional nutritionist or doctor to help you make the best decision for you and to find the healthiest course for you to take on your weight loss journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful as you consider whether or not eating dinner can help you lose weight. Try to keep balanced eating and physical activity in mind, and be sure to consult a healthcare professional to get the best advice and guidance when it comes to your health. Bye.